during Dharam Singh's tenure, there were a lot of people who benefited from filing false affidavits and seeking land sites. So, in that matter, you can explain the case in brief to us what it is. Please tell us. Yeah, tell us briefly about the case.
This case where Bangalore Development Authority, short or BDA, has allotted a number of sites. Some of them clandestine vehicles, LPs, MLAs, and the cost of which is over actually, one site in location where we sold per feet, it is extended 4,000. That means 50 by 80, 4,000 square foot. It comes to 4,000 each site. And in turn, they have sold it to somebody else for a higher value. This is making
Sir, you maintain a look at me and speak. You look here and speak. We'll do it again. I was basically asking you to speak about, tell us of who are some of the beneficiaries of this scheme. You said that they had wrongfully taken benefit of this scheme and tried to apply for land. So for giving false affidavits. Who are some of these people and what was the nature of the fraud? Tell us about that briefly.
the names.
No, some names and tell us the nature of the fraud basically.
Dinesh Gundra, Army and all these people have got their own sites through banks. But the rule mandates that they should not have sites before they apply for this Ministry's quota. On the pretext that Ministry the only people who are standing in the queue for getting the site and the site has been deceived with it.
Okay. Also, sir, do you feel that here it is like the political parties are the only ones who are doing this, or is it other people also?
Even other people have also some of the political people plus the various people, for example, the judges or chief, and some of the other people have also got it. Even for just the names, Nisar Ahmad, a poet, has also been given just to as an Ivar. Actually, those people who are the beneficiary of this chief minister quota are very less in number. You know that they are also doing, actually this is only for sportsmen, those who are members in the literature, all those dignitaries who have been made set up those for the Gandhi people they have made these sites are being given. But actually this is being given as a trade.
So the last question was about, do you feel now that because the judiciary is so closely involved in corruption and because politicians are also involved, so they keep trying to protect each other, and do you think the system, do you think, is caught in a vicious cycle or vicious trap of sorts? Do you feel there is any way out of this vicious trap? Because the politicians are helping the judiciary and the judiciary is helping the politicians. Okay? So, because this is going on happening, do you feel there is any escape for the system? Do you feel any way out? Is there any scope for any reform at all?
There is a rule in DG site allotment rules 1984. Section 5 says, the rule 5 says that the authorized to just plot the site goes to us in accordance with the guidance of the government. That means any guidance given will be valid as per the law. So the law itself has got to be and the filed the Honorable Court is still awaiting result. And the BDA has not responded to and given any statement of objection for the public interest petition was filed and still awaiting since 2006.
सर हिंदी में भी यही सारे सवाल पूछेंगे आपको। ये पूछेंगे कि धर्म सिंह के कार्यकाल में जिस तरह से लोगों ने ज़मीन हथियाने की कोशिश की, उसमें आपको लगता है कि फ्रॉड किस तरह से उन्होंने किस तरह से फ्रॉड किया, इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताएंगे हमें।
फ्रॉड कभी फ्रॉड में ऐसा होता है, will not be made known to the in the issues of allotment letters, etc., etc.
हिंदी में बोलेंगे सर, हिंदी में बोलिए।
ये allotment जो साइट मंजूरी होता ना, वो सब हमारा सर्टिफिकेशन में मैं इनक्लोज किया, इसमें पूरा डिटेल्स है।
आप ये बताएंगे कि एक तरफ हम देखते हैं कि जो न्यायालय में जो न्यायाधीश हैं वो लोग खुद ही इस तरह से ज़मीन हथियाने लगे हैं, तो वो खुद भ्रष्टाचार में लिप्त हैं, और दूसरी और पॉलिटिशियंस हैं वो भी इस तरह से ज़मीन हथियाने में लगे हैं। तो ये अगर एक दूसरे का रक्षा करते रहे तो समाज को कहीं जाके क्या कभी इसमें इजाद मिलेगी, कहीं कुछ सोल्यूशन निकलेगा इस प्रॉब्लम का? क्या लगता है आपको सोल्यूशन कहाँ से आएगा?
सोल्यूशन ये जुडिशरी जो है ना, जुडिशरी बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट और ध्यान से ये सवालों को जरूर अप्लाई करना चाहिए, नहीं तो ये सामान्य लोग है ना, हम लोग को कभी नहीं जस्टिस नहीं मिलेगी।
सर, धर्म सिंह के खुद के घर के लोगों को और उसकी घर में काम करने वाली बाई को भी ज़मीन दिलाई गई इसमें, इसके बारे में बताएंगे हमें?
हाँ, एक नाम है वो सन्नम्मा, इसका नाम है कि ओनली नाइट सर्वेंट है वो, उसे 8 लाख का एक साइट 58 वो औरत को खाने पीने का मुश्किल है, वो जरूर घर बनेगा वो साइट में 58 का साइट। यही सवाल मैं पूछा हूँ, अभी तक उत्तर नहीं आया।
आपसे बात करने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया सर।